In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new profile in VS Code. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To create a new profile, go to Manage or Settings here, and you can see we have Profiles. If you click on Profiles, you have an option to create a new profile here. If you already have a number of profiles, you should be able to see them here. As you can see, I only have this one default profile. So I'll add another one by clicking on Create New Profile. Then give your profile a name, for instance, AI account. And here you can choose your icon, select the profile source from which you want to copy the content if you have, or you can leave it to none if you don't. And finally, complete your creation by clicking on Create here. By clicking on Create, you can see we have now our new profile created. To start using it, now you can just click on it, or you can even start adding folders straight from here. So that's how you can create a new profile on VS Code. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.